Once you've set up the plugin in safe mode or ghost mode, navigate to the author security section way in the settings panel. Here, you can change the default author path to something unique. Let's replace author with writer. This action will automatically hide the original author path from being accessible. Changing the author path prevents attackers from easily guessing your author URLs. For additional security, we'll disable author ID enumeration. This setting blocks anyone from discovering usernames by accessing URLs like author equals 1, which is a common way hackers can target your site. Make sure this is enabled. Once you've customized the author path and disabled enumeration, save to apply all these changes. Next, let's test if the changes were successful. First, log out from your WordPress admin dashboard. Now try accessing the old author URL path, for example, author John. As you can see, this path is now blocked. Finally, try accessing the new author path, which is now writer John. This URL is the only one that will work. And there you have it. WP Ghost effectively blocks the old author path, keeping your WordPress website safer and more secure.